In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage variables in Microsoft Copilot Studio. Variables are the backbone of any useful Copilot. They let you capture information, reuse it later, and keep conversations consistent. In Copilot Studio, there are two primary ways variables come to life, and then there's a simple place to control how far those variables can travel across your bot. First, the automatic route uses a question node. When you add a question node to a topic and ask the user for something, like a preference or a date, Copilot Studio automatically creates a variable to store the user's answer. You'll see that variable appear in the Variables panel as soon as the node is configured. Give it a clear, descriptive name so you remember what it holds and keep names consistent across your project. As the conversation flows, that value stays available so you can reference it in later messages, conditions, and other nodes to personalize the experience. Copilot Studio typically infers the data type from the question you ask, which helps with validation and downstream logic. Second, you can create a variable manually using a set variable value node. This is perfect when you want to define a value without asking the user, or when you want to transform or store something you already know. Drop in a set variable value node, choose or create the variable, and assign a value. That value can be a literal, a previously captured variable, or the result of a simple expression. This approach is handy for defaults, flags that guide branching, or combining bits of data into a single place you can reference later. Once you have variables, the Variables panel is where you manage their scope. Scope determines who can see and reuse a variable. Set a variable to be local if it only matters inside the current topic. Switch it to a broader scope if you want to use it across multiple topics. You can also make variables available to external sources when you need to pass data to connected systems or bring information back in. Keep scope as tight as possible for clarity and to reduce unintended side effects, and reserve broader scopes for values that truly need to be shared. That's the core workflow. Let question nodes auto-create variables when collecting user input, build variables manually with set variable value when you need control, and tune visibility in the Variables panel so your data is in the right place at the right time. With these pieces, your Copilot becomes smarter, more consistent, and easier to maintain.